No one knows your business better than you. That's why, from the start of our journey together, we pursue a single goal: to help you be more productive, to venture through different places, and to connect each phase of the project like an orchestra, which by coming together creates a unique and perfect symphony. And with this, we will be by your side. We will be by your side from the start, in every phase, always. Because only by being close can we support you and give you our best to achieve the excellence you are looking for. At ULMA Handling Systems, we've been giving you our full attention for over 35 years in order to be by your side when you need us. And ULMA for You is the answer to our commitment to you. It is putting ourselves in your shoes to learn about and recognize your daily needs. It is being up to date, advising you, and offering you intralogistics engineering services to respond proactively, technologically, and innovatively. And we do it by planning, developing, and executing intelligent maintenance, management, and monitoring solutions that make your logistics processes 100% effective and profitable, and thus ensure your success. We want to be your traveling companion. We want to build the bridge that will take you to the future with the right tools for you. And we do so with the most unique engineering, together with the most inspiring creativity, placing at your disposal a logistics suite with different tools that will help you maximize the value of your facilities. Customized and flexible solutions adapted to your business so that you're ready, and so that what is just an idea today can become a dynamic, successful, and exciting reality. We want you to grow, and we want to grow with you, taking care of each step to ensure a perfect, precise, and unique harmonious connection.